Hello everyone, welcome back with Onshape basic 3D modeling tutorial for exercise number 2. Okay, click create new document and I will set name into exercise 2. Click create public document. So we are waiting to open drawings area. Click sketch and choose top plane. Click top view. I will draw circle, start from this origin point, set for diameter into 10, and we create polygon. I will use circumscribe polygons. Click from this point, click again, and set for side into 3. The next, use vertical constraint to set this line into vertical. For dimension, set this line length 50. Click OK and press shift button, hold, press middle mouse to use orbit tools. Use extrude tools to extrude this face. Set for dips 50. Click OK. Now I will use chamfer tools. We chamfer this edge also in here and set for distance into 5. Click OK. Click sketch again and select at this plane. Change into top view. I will draw circle, start from this point. Set for diameter 20. And we draw a line from this point to the left with length 45. To the top 15 and connect into this point. Move to the bottom here, click in here, move to the top 15, connect into this line object. Press escape button to close. Now I will use trim command to cut this circle. You can click in this point, drop down menu and click trim tools. Select the circle object. For dimension in this line, set into 84. Okay. Click OK again. Now we use extrude tools to extrude at this sketch. Set for dips 30. Okay. Use fillet command. Set radius into 10. Select at this edge. OK again, and I will use chamfer tools to chamfer this edge with distance 10. Click OK. Now I will copy these objects with circular pattern. Click in a drop down menu in here and use circular pattern. For entities or pattern, select this object. And for axis, select at the circle. For item, set into 3. Click OK. Now in here we have 3 parts. So if you want to combine, you can select this all and use this tool boolean. It will be automatically combined into one. You also can hide for this default geometry, top, front, and right. Okay, we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 2 with Onshape software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.